10 Secret AI Tools You Need to Know About, Part 2. Welcome back to Part 2 of our series on game-changing AI tools. Today we're diving into 10 more innovative platforms designed to elevate your productivity, creativity, and business operations. Let's get started. First up, Yahini. Yahini is a comprehensive platform for content strategy development. It offers robust keyword research, workbook generation, and competitor analysis, enabling you to craft targeted and effective content plans. By analyzing market trends and competitor strategies, Yahini helps you stay ahead in your niche, ensuring your content resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Next, Social Intents. This tool integrates live chat and AI-powered chatbots into your website, enhancing customer engagement and support. With seamless integration into platforms like Microsoft Teams, Google Chat, and Slack, Social Intents allows your team to interact with website visitors in real time, providing immediate assistance and improving customer satisfaction. For developers, Windsurf Editor is a game changer. This AI-powered integrated development environment, IDE, enhances coding productivity through real-time collaboration and advanced AI features. Windsurf Editor combines the best of Copilot and agent systems, providing context-aware editing, multi-file support, and natural language commands. Introducing Pixoai, a no-code tool that empowers you to create web applications using natural language commands. Pixoai simplifies the development process, allowing users without coding experience to build functional web apps by describing their requirements in plain language. This democratizes app development, enabling more individuals and businesses to bring their digital ideas to life without the need for extensive technical knowledge. Narrator. Meet MathGPT, your personal AI math tutor. MathGPT solves a wide range of math problems and generates videos to explain solutions step by step. Whether you're tackling algebra, geometry, calculus, or statistics, MathGPT provides detailed explanations, helping you understand complex concepts and improve your math skills. Mezi is an AI-powered personal assistant designed for information retrieval and task automation. It simplifies your daily activities by managing tasks such as setting reminders, sending messages, and finding accurate information on various topics. Mezi continuously learns and improves its performance, making it a valuable tool for both individuals and businesses seeking to enhance efficiency and information management. For content creators, Amaro offers a versatile platform for content creation across multiple media formats. Whether you're producing text, images, or videos, Amaro provides tools to streamline your creative process, enabling you to generate high-quality content efficiently. Its AI-driven features assist in brainstorming ideas, editing, and optimizing content for various platforms, enhancing your creative workflow. Array is a no-code platform that allows you to build custom business applications tailored to your specific needs. By utilizing a visual interface, Array enables users to design and deploy applications without writing code, facilitating rapid development and iteration. This empowers businesses to create solutions that align closely with their operational requirements, improving efficiency and adaptability. Travel enthusiasts will appreciate Wander Maps. This tool creates personalized travel itineraries by curating maps and offline navigation based on social media content. Wander Maps helps you discover, plan, and navigate destinations worldwide, offering curated maps, offline access, and interactive features to enhance your travel experience. Lastly, Build'n.ai centralizes knowledge management, collaboration, and editing into one platform. It streamlines the process of creating, sharing, and managing information within teams, enhancing collaboration and productivity. Build'n.ai integrated tools facilitate seamless communication and document management, ensuring that your team's knowledge base is organized, accessible, and up to date. These AI tools are transforming the way we work, create, and interact. Explore them to find the perfect fit for your needs and take your productivity to the next level. Supercharge your life with these AI tools, invaluable business info shared with you regularly, only from NXTLVLBIZ.com.